Welcome to the 25 days of Stitchmas. My name is Nelu, and for the next 25 days, we are going to be creating new stitch files that I am going to digitize and embroider for you on this channel. Now, if you are somebody that likes to digitize, embroider, illustrate, paint, or whatever your creativity is, use these as like a daily prompt for the holiday season to create something new for your shop or maybe just for you in general. I will be digitizing and embroidering every single one of these stitch outs. So welcome to day 10 of Stitchmas. As a friendly reminder, I'm using the Embroidery software. So let's bring in today's project, and that is the reindeer SVG we're going to use. Let's bring this down because of course I created this file way too big, but what else is new? Okay, let's shrink her down. And I'm actually going to make this pretty big. We're almost at 4 inches on both sides. So let me zoom back in. Perfect. And let's get her centered if she's not already centered. Perfect. And the reason this design is going to be so simple is this is all just satin borders, but we're going to make them quite larger than we've done for any of the other designs. So now we're going to just kind of plan out how we're going to want this to look. And I think I'm going to want this right here to go last, and we'll start here. So there are going to be some run stitches as well, just because we want to connect everything to look as cute as possible. So let's go design, begin new design, select the design, and what we're going to do is we are going to, I think, plop down some run stitches. Do we need to do that? I don't think we do. I think we could just go from one side to the other. And that's what we're going to be doing. So we are going to start down here, right up here. Who's that? Oh, for Jennifer and Benny. Okay. Okay, so we're going to start right here, and so I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste, and let's do a nice satin. But we are going to change the size to, are we thinking 3? Or let's go even, should we go bigger? 4 millimeters? She's going to be hefty. I think 4 millimeters is the way to go. Let's do the start end of it. We're going to do it round, or should we do point? No, I think Rudolph is going to be cute just like that. And then we're going to do that. We're going to go ahead and do a run stitch from here to here. And then we are going to select this, we're going to copy and paste, and boom. And then another run stitch. We'll do the start and stop down here so that way it runs smoothly. And then we're going to do another run stitch from here to here. Okay, and then we'll select this, and then don't forget to copy and paste, because if not you'll be messing with your outlines, just FYI. And then we're going to go here, perfect, and it's going to start and stop here. Okay, so then we'll do this, paste it, copy and paste, don't forget, and then we're going to do the antler like this, and we're going to do the start here, and we'll finish it down here, and then we'll go back that way. So then we'll do a run stitch from here to here. Perfect. Oh, you know what? I lied. Let's redo that run stitch because we're going to go up. So run stitch again, selected here to here, and we're going to want to go up. Right to here. We're going to select this, copy and paste. We're going to start and stop down here, and then we're going to add another run stitch, and the run stitch is going to go from here to here, and then we are going to copy and paste this. Also, perfect. Start and stop will bring down to the bottoms, and then again another run stitch, and here. Copy and paste, don't forget, because if not, I mean, it's not a big deal if you do forget, because you're just using the design, and you can always import another design. It's not that big of a deal. So just up to you guys. Okay, and then we're gonna select this. Okay, we're gonna select this, copy and paste, and we're gonna do another satin, but we're gonna start her here, we're gonna end it here, and then we'll come back in to do this, which is perfect. And then we're gonna copy and paste, change it into that, and the start will be down here, and I think we're gonna end it down here. But for this, we are going to want both ends rounded. Oops, that's pointed, rounded. There we go. There we go. We have it done. We could also add in a little red circle here to make it look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer if we wanted to, but I'm going to leave that to you. Right now we have it all black, so here we'll select it, and we can change this color. And I think we're going to do brown. Perfect. And this right here, we could change the color to that if you wanted to. Let me show you what the red dot or the nose would look like. I'm thinking like this, and let's center this to this. And I'm thinking a cute little fill in the color Christmas red, of course. you could do that. I think we're gonna do that because that is just too damn cute, isn't it? I'm gonna move it up a little bit, give it some a little bit of an angle. Oh, he is looking cute. You know what, you guys, we're gonna have to go ahead and select this again, do a double, and we're gonna change the other one into a little satin border. We'll bring her down, definitely. And I think that's cute. Now this is optional, but you can always go into your software and delete this if you don't want it, or if you don't like the way it looks and all that kind of stuff. So that's up to you. But let's go ahead, since this is done, let's move over to the embroidery machine and get this embroidered.
You guys, I hope that you are enjoying day number 10 of Stitchmas. This stitch out came out so cute. I think the size of the satin columns was perfect, honestly, and I'm so glad that I added the little red nose at the end, and it looks so cute. I really love the way this came out, and it was so easy to do. So if you do have the software to practice digitizing, I definitely think this would be something super easy that you could practice with creating your own digitized file. And just as a reminder, we have the digitized file and the design file that you can use on our website, stitchdaddies.com. And you can use the word jolly to get this all for free. We have to put it for $1 because if not, we get bots that it's like spam our website, and I hate that. So that's unfortunately what we have to do. But use the code and you can get this downloaded file for free that you can use for your shop or for your customers or whatever not. So I hope you guys do are enjoying this 25 days of Stitchmas, and I hope you guys are having a great day in business. Hopefully the holiday season is not getting to you, and hopefully it's treating you nice and well. I'm wishing you guys all the best, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Have a great day.